Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make a 3D butterfly name canvas. It's a super simple project that anyone can do and it's perfect for beginners. For starters, I'm using a 20 by 24 inch canvas. I'm also using a 3D name cutout, 3D butterflies, some 1/4 inch thick craft foam, and a hot glue gun. Please don't come for my hot glue gun. I know she looks crazy, but I've had her since high school and I just can't let her go. You can use any 3D item you want for this. I'm using these 3D butterflies I got from Amazon. I will link these as well as my canvas in the description below. But any other 3D dimensional item you like to use, like fake flowers or leaves, would all work for this project. I started by folding the butterfly wings upwards and began placing them around the canvas until I was happy with the arrangement. I got this name cut out as a gift, but I know you can find similar ones on Etsy. To attach the name to the canvas, I'm using small stacks of 1/4 inch thick craft foam. I chose foam because it's lightweight and sticks easily to hot glue. I started by using 2 pieces, but later added a third for slightly more height. I wanted the name to float a few inches above the canvas and just above the butterflies. Here I am adding that third piece that I mentioned previously. Once I was happy with the height, I marked where I would be gluing the foam pieces down to the canvas, and then I started gluing the butterflies into place. This step is pretty straightforward. You can glue the butterflies in any arrangement you like. I just try to fill in as much of the space that will be below the name as possible. I'm not attaching the name yet. I just want to check its placement and make sure everything is looking good. glued the name down on top of the dots that I marked on the canvas. The 2 attachment points turned out to not be enough of an anchor, and the name was wobbly and drooped slightly when the canvas was upright, so I added 2 more pieces of foam on the ends of the name for support. Here I am just marking the height of the name onto the new foam. Since these are more for stability and not really structural, I'm using a single piece of foam cut to the proper size. Here's what it looks like up close. And here is the finished product. This is such a fun little DIY that's easy to do in under an hour and super customizable. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-tos like this. I have some really exciting projects coming up that I can't wait to share. I hope you guys have a great week and thank you so much for watching.